Hi, in this video let me show you how to fix in case you're having issues with your Element Xumo TV. If it's slow and you want to make it quicker, okay, I'll show you a few different things you can try. So the first thing I suggest is to take the remote control and press the settings button to open settings. Then you're gonna go down and select the option that is called apps and subscription. Go towards the right side on this menu and you're going to select close all recent apps. Okay, as they say here, closing apps may improve performance by clearing short-term memory. Your apps data and login will not be affected. So select this, select yes, close apps. Wait a few seconds and afterwards you should see an improvement in your TV since there won't be anything running in the background. Here we go, press OK. And now if you press the home button, you navigate. Hopefully after doing this, your TV will have a lot less lag and you'll be able to use it. Now if this doesn't work, what I can suggest, turn off your TV. Okay, I'll press the power button. We're going to unplug it from the wall outlet. And while it is unplugged, I will go under the TV, under the Element logo, and this is the power button. I will keep it pressed 30 seconds. Even if the TV is unplugged, I will just stay like this 30 seconds. Okay, after 30 seconds passed, you can release the button, connect the TV back and turn it on. Okay, this is a simple reboot, a full reboot, and it's able to clear many different software issues that may have been happening that you were not aware and that was slowing down your TV. So you may have to repress again the power button. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any other tips, and I will see you in the next video.